Mastering verb tenses for TOEFL and IELTS. Hello, language learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of verb tenses and conjugation. If you're preparing for TOEFL or IELTS, mastering these concepts can give you a significant edge in the grammar section. So, let's get started. Verb tenses tell us when an action took place. English has three main time frames: the past, the present, and the future. Each of these can be simple, continuous, perfect, or perfect continuous. By combining them, we get 12 main tenses in English. 1. Simple present, used for habitual actions. E.g., she studies every day. 2. Present continuous, for ongoing actions. E.g., she is studying right now. 3. Present perfect, actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past and may be linked to the present. E.g., she has studied 3 chapters today. 4. Present perfect continuous, actions that started in the past and continue in the present. E.g., she has been studying for 3 hours. 1. Simple past, actions that happened and finished in the past. E.g., she studied yesterday. 2. Past continuous, ongoing actions in the past. E.g., she was studying when I called her. 3. Past perfect, actions that occurred before another past action. E.g., she had studied before she went to the party. 4. Past perfect continuous, duration of actions before another action in the past. E.g., she had been studying for 2 hours before her friend arrived. 1. Simple future, actions that will happen in the future. E.g., she will study tomorrow. 2. Future continuous, ongoing actions in the future. E.g., she will be studying at 7 p.m. tonight. 3. Future perfect, actions that will be finished by a specific future time. E.g., she will have studied all chapters by Friday. 4. Future perfect continuous, duration of future actions up to a point in the future. E.g., by evening, she will have been studying for 5 hours. Conjugating verbs is about changing their form based on tense, person, and number. Here are some tips. 1. Regular verbs. Add ed for simple past and past participle forms. E.g., play, played, played. 2. Irregular verbs. These don't follow a set pattern. E.g., go, went, gone. Make a list and memorize them. 3. Be verb. The verb, to be, is the most irregular. E.g., am, is, are in the present, and was, were in the past. 4. Modal verbs. Can, could, shall, should, will, would, may, might, must. These don't change form based on person or number. And that's a wrap on verb tenses and conjugation. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use these tenses, the more natural they'll become. Good luck with your TOEFL and IELTS preparation, and keep mastering the English language. Until next time, happy learning!